And he's gone.
I think Simon is scared of that thing.
Did you get a bunch of spit on your face?
Yeah, a little bit.
These will be for sale soon on the Unspeakable merchandise website, but today we're doing a Lego build battle. So I did one of these in the past with Preston, and you guys loved it, but I've never done one with anyone else, so we're doing one with Keiko, so. But the theme of this build battle is you have to build yourself. So I don't know how.
So however you feel you are
gonna...
represented, you will portray that in your Lego building. And begin!
Okay, good luck. So I'm gonna be building right here. Kayla's gonna be upstairs. Are we starting? Okay, let's do this. Is that the starting? The starting? How do I build myself out of Legos? Do I need to include toenails as well? I'm getting really confused. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I think I should stick to a specific color, and I think that should be green. Green, green. I need to get all the green blocks. Wait, how much time do we have? Is there a time limit? Okay. I made the rules. There's no time limit. Take as much time as you need, because when your Lego build is rushed, it doesn't turn out good, let's be honest.
I am making my feet and my legs. I have no idea how I'm going to bring them together. I will face that battle when I get to it. But these are my legs. I'm gonna try and make this. I think I'm supposed to be quiet. Is it supposed to be a secret?
What?
Is it supposed to be a secret?
What's a secret?
I don't know.
Everything's a secret.
Okay, so we're gonna whisper. But I think I'm gonna try and make this as tall as I am. I'm gonna make it a real life Lego me. I don't know how to do this. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, no. Oh, no. I have no idea what I'm doing. Ah! How's yours coming along?
It's great.
Oh, yeah, me too. Think I'm definitely gonna win.
Hey, Nathan.
Oh, what?
Hey,
What?
wake up.
What?
You
What?
gotta build yourself.
There's no time limit, so why don't I just do it tomorrow?
Because she might win.
She can't win. We gotta prank her.
With what?
I don't know. See if she likes some chips. Pokemon capture! Hey, I got you some chips.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
You think you can fool me?
How did you know what was in it? She's really good. We gotta start building. How do you build a stick figure? It doesn't even make any sense. This is gonna be his foot. So we're gonna have 2 feet. Why am I building a stick figure? I just figured that would be easy. Okay, I need to get to building.
Okay, I finally have my legs together. I was thinking for presentation, I should have it. Hey! I worked hard on these! But I think... Yeah!
You do squats?
Yeah!
Okay.
Yeah. But I was thinking I could leave it more here, so whenever he comes in, it can be more of like a wow. These will probably be the toes, because I don't know how to make detailed Lego toes. It's now onto the torso, and I have no idea how to build a torso out of Legos. I think it's all gonna fall, but we'll see. Hey, I heard a crash. Is everything okay? You good?
It broke. Everything I just did is broke.
You said broke or you're good?
Oh no, I'm good.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm good. Everything's good. Everything's great. I'm getting stressed out. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. How do you build a Lego stick figure? Maybe we should build a stick figure. Maybe we should just build a taco. But then I'd lose. Okay. We'll put this under here for some support. So right now, I'm building his legs. Oh, what? Did something fall up there? You doing okay? Oh, it sounds like you're doing great.
That's wonderful.
Oh, that's great.
I'm not doing great. That was a lie. What are you doing?
Hey, what you doing?
What are you doing?
Oh, nothing.
I'm scared.
You scared? Why are you scared?
No! No.
Scared? What are you talking about? What? No, what?
No.
No?
No brains.
Yes.
No. I have to rebuild my whole person. It all fell. I'm not an architectural student, okay? I don't know how to do this. Those are some seriously tall legs. I think I should take some off. That's about it. Okay. I think I'm getting it.
A little bit of a problem. I'm gonna get a little bit of a problem. Just a little bit of a problem. Not a big problem. Not a pretty big problem. Things falling. It's not stable. I don't know what's going on with my life anymore. What?
Hey,
Oh, yeah.
hey,
Hey, what's up?
you ain't got no arms.
Yeah, dude, right here.
That ain't a creeper.
I got T-Rex arms. No, seriously. It's done. What do you think?
That's like nothing compared to Kayla's right now. Hers has bigger arms.
Well, this is a T-Rex. T-Rex Unspeakable.
Oh,
yeah,
okay.
so, you know, that's one of his special characteristics. You know, what we can do here is we can extend his arms. Just like that.
Yeah, that's better.
You know, is that a little better?
Oh yeah, a lot better. Now he looks like he's reaching for you.
Yeah, he also looks like he's about to fall over. Ah, his arm! Our stick figure may have fallen, but he's getting right back up. T-Rex arms. Okay. Now for the head. Oh yeah. Okay. Is it falling? Does it look like it's falling?
No.
It's not falling. It's gonna fall. It's gonna fall. Unspeakable's head here, since his eyeballs are so large, it kind of puts a lot of weight towards the front. I think we should be good. It doesn't look like he's falling, but his arms are falling off. Hope it doesn't fall again. I missed.
I did it.
Okay. Hey, actually, I could use some green blocks. Thank you very much. Yeah. My thing's falling. It's just his arms. It's all good. Just his arms. You know, I think he does need a little something. Look at that. See that empty space right there? That's why he's falling, because he doesn't have a heart. I need to put his heart right there in his chest. That's the ugliest heart I've ever seen in my life. All right, there it is. All right, let's go ahead and cut this out. All right, we're good. I'm doing a heart transplant right now. You see this?
Excuse me.
What? I'm doing a heart transplant. It's very intense.
I am curious if I can make a trade.
A trade for what? What do you want? You want a trade? What do you want to trade? That for what? What? Hey, no, I didn't say I accepted this trade. You know, you can't take these. No. I didn't. When did I say I accepted this trade? No, stop. Where are you going? Stop. No more blue.
Just need the tiny one.
No, that's not even.
Just need the
You
tiny
gave me 6 green, and that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
I make
7 blue.
I make
Give me
fair
one.
trade. Fair trade. I switch out for small. This is not done small. I need small. This is not the fair trade.
Get out! Go! Gone! Why would you not own one of these? Let's be honest. All right. Well, our heart transplant was successful. Very stressful, but he's looking good. He's looking really good. Actually, you know what? He needs one more thing. Eyeballs are a little bit dusty. We need to clear up. It's way too much. Way too much. All right, buddy, stay still. Oh, yep-a-doos. You know, these are just your windshield wipers for the evening. Hung as well. Yeah, okay, we're done. Yeah, we're done. He's complete.
I forgot the arms, so now I gotta go back. I got a glimpse of Nathan's. I think he's gonna win. But there is still hope. We have to stay positive. No, I think this looks like an arm, kinda. Hey, can you calm down about your jangling?
You see these?
Yeah.
They're releasing soon on www.unspeakable.co.
Wow.
You want one?
No.
It's
I have to keep my concentration.
Here,
No.
you can have one.
No.
Look at that smile. Look at that. Look at
I
this
am not
smile.
done.
Look.
I am not done.
Look.
No.
Look at that smile. Look at it.
Okay, bye.
Okay. I have Sharpie. I have Sharpie.
Throws.
Oh, now my person has chicken pox. Thanks. Oh my gosh, I just got a genius idea. Just stay.
Okay, I just need one more thing. Wait, I don't know where to find it. Wait, I need one more.
I'm out. This thing is lame. Not gonna lie. But this is not lame.
Hey, you want to know what I'm gonna do? I'm
What are you
gonna
gonna
knock down your unspeakable.
No, you're not. No, you're not.
Oh, are you sure? Maybe you want more bullet.
Don't do it. Don't do it.
I'll knock it down. Give you one more bullet. 1 minute's all it takes.
I didn't think you though. I didn't think you. Hey, I didn't think you. I picked the rail. The rail was in the way. It just kind of protected me. I didn't know you were actually gonna. Please don't knock it down.
I'm gonna go upstairs now.
Go ahead.
And I'm not gonna get shot.
Go for it. Yep. Not gonna shoot you. Nope, not gonna do it. Nope, don't take my gun. Don't take my gun. Don't take my gun.
Okay.
Wait, no.
It slipped. I'm sorry.
So, this is what we have. They have these little stickers. Oh, they're not sticky! Okay, I do have a hat. Oh, this is kind of tiny. Okay. I don't know how to. Oh, I have an idea. Now we have a hat. Oh my god! How is. You should probably take the hat off. She is perfect.
What you doing?
2 more minutes and the challenge will be done.
2 more minutes?
2 more minutes.
1, 2.
That's not how time works.
It's been 38 seconds.
Okay. Let me know when it's time for me to win.
1 minute and 12 seconds left.
Okay. I'll be ready in 1 minute and 12 seconds so I can win.
Well, now it's 1 minute and 3 seconds, so you better be ready.
Okay, I'll be ready to win.
Now it's 56 seconds. Just got 30 more seconds. You know what? We're gonna get super fancy on this. 15 seconds! 10 seconds! 5 seconds! 3, 2, 1! I just did an entire timer and it's been 2 minutes. It's been exactly two minutes right there. 2 minutes. 2 minutes and 0.89 milliseconds. You're done. Are you done? I don't think she's done. Let's go take a final look at Keiko's tower here. What?
I think we should take a fine look at yours first. You know, save the best for last.
Okay.
All right.
All right, well, ladies and gentlemen, if you look to your right here, we have the Unspeakable Cowboy, or you can call it the Unspeakable T-Rex, the short little arms. As you can see here, this statue has been established since May 10th at 9:48 in the morning. It's been holding up pretty well. We did a heart surgery, and that's heart.
Did you spell heart H-A-R-T?
Oh, whoops.
Okay, it's okay. We'll move past that.
Well,
okay.
he's still functioning very well. You know, he's incredibly smart. I lint rolled his eyes earlier, so he now has perfect vision 20/20.
Oh.
Yeah, so.
That's all it took was a lint roller, huh?
Yeah, he had a
Who would've known?
lot of fur on there. You know, when you have a little
Yeah, it's just
fur
really
and-
clogging up those corneas.
Yeah, and then his tongue is incredible. He may be a cowboy and a T-Rex, but he's also a frog.
He's about
So,
to die. He's
that's
about to
his-
die.
No,
He died.
All right, let's go see mine.
heart surgery didn't go as planned. We need to operate again. No!
I know how to help. I know how to help.
Let's do it.
Come on.
Yep, I'm on my way.
Yeah.
Yep.
Let me show you.
Feel sweaty.
Her, yeah, I know.
I'm dripping down my forehead. Okay.
She is beautiful. And you know, she's kind of hard of hearing. So occasionally when you need her attention, you gotta ring the bell.
And then over here, just having a little mariachi time, you know?
Yeah.
Just hanging out.
Yeah.
And here it's a little sunny, and you know, Cinco de Mayo was not too long ago, so she's still celebrating that. And these I now realize are on her forehead. Her necklaces are on her forehead, but she just she's insecure about how big her forehead is. Okay, all right. There's really nothing we can do about that. She has chicken pox, but only in one small area of her body that is not yet spread. I think she's pretty good. I think
this is the last thing she needs.
Because, you know, she's hard of hearing, so when people are getting her attention, you know, she's got to get other people's attention too.
Yeah,
you know,
yeah,
it just
for sure.
goes both ways.
You know, we can put these on here.
You know, it's a lost cause. I tried to do that. She's just got fat hands. Tried for 30 minutes. She's just got really fat,
that's what
sweaty
took you so
hands.
long.
Yeah.
That's what took you so long.
Yeah, she got fat hands.
Okay. Well, here's the deal. We're not gonna know who wins this build battle unless you guys vote in the comment section below. Either comment the word Keiko for her build or comment the word Unspeakable for my build.
And I just would like to say, you know,
You better comment my name.
But both of ours had medical issues. You know, yours needed a heart transplant. I have a mild case of the chicken pox, but let's all be real here. This is less severe and she will live longer. Did you just peel my face off? You know, how's that working out for you?
Anyways. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know in the
Yeah, chicken pox. You are the worst.
Okay. You know, actually, mine's dead.
Yeah, it's
on the
dead.
floor right
so
now.
who's laughing now? All right, vote for me to win in the comments. See you in the next vlog.
Vote for me. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you guys soon.
Don't vote for him. Vote for me.
No, you better vote for me.
Every time I ring this bell, that means.